It's making me jealous. In box ones.
Maksudnya?
Huh? What?
Maksudnya?
It's too like cute and it's like
Can't relate.
hashtag cannot relate. Oh, are you live?
Iya. Hai.
Oh shit.
Halo kak, lagi sama siapa? Aku lagi sama kakak aku yang nyebelin ini, yang mulutnya nggak bisa tutup.
What do you mean? What do
Bercanda.
you mean?
Canda. Syutingnya hari ini udah, tapi aku udah pulang. Aku selesai agak sore. Tuh, lucu. Rame amat bibir di muka. Iya. Kalau nggak pakai filter jelek. Ada Nicole. Agoy said hi.
Who?
Agoy.
Hi.
Nicole lagi siap-siap karena kita mau buat konten buat kalian semua. Ya ih. Ya oi.
Please.
Kak udah lulus ya? Belum. Ada yang bilang Nicole cewek gue. Ih. Boleh. Nicole nggak laku-laku nih.
Emang iya.
Bercanda.
Sensitive topic. Why you talk about that?
Nicole ini wah gila.
Apa?
Top banget.
Iya.
Kalau kasih 1, 2, 3, 4. Katanya kata Agoy terus banget. Kata Agoy. Nicole, kamu betah kayaknya di luar setahun sekali ya pulang.
Yes. Bukan betah, terpaksa.
Bukan betah tapi terpaksa katanya.
Enggak terpaksa.
Kenapa nggak golden brown aja rambut aku? Karena syuting aku nggak bolehin aku warnain apa sih? My shooting doesn't allow me to dye my hair light. Terus kamu pakai bisa susah. Syuting buat keperluan kerjaan. Mereka mau warna rambut aku gelap. Nah, biar kelihatan lebih Indonesia gitu loh. Ada Jevan. Hai Jep. Jep. Enak. Oke.
Nice.
Lau, please kapan-kapan ambil project series. Aku pengen banget, tapi selalu tidak jodoh. Kayak pas kalau syuting series terus tiba-tiba udah ditarik sama sinetron. I'm on my way. Hey. Spill catokan. Iya lagi aku mau beli catokan kan rusak.
Oh.
Ya udah lah ya.
Oh.
Oh.
Bicara apa?
GHD kayak bagus ya.
Bagus. Oke. Ada G. Dia GHD ya?
Enggak. Kemarin pas di Malaysia ada.
Di Malaysia, Singapore. I want to bring my, the other one of that, like among the beauty marks, but.
Oh, yang warna golden.
No, pink. No, I have straightener for that.
Oh iya?
I didn't bring it because you said nggak usah bawa apa-apa karena ada di sini semua, so I didn't bring anything.
Yeah,
And then mommy was like, you should have brought that because Lauren broke hers, and I don't really use my straightener.
Aduh. Bicara aku catok rambut aku. Panas. Au. Hai Itali. Sardin. Kirain Tasya Farasya. Aku mirip sama Tasya Farasha. What's up guys? Kayak aku udah lama banget gak nge-live. Kakak kemana aja? Aku kesini sana kemana-mana. Coba Niko suruh ngomong kalau ngomong Indo.
Udah tadi.
Suara Niko aneh tau kalau ngomong bahasa Indonesia.
Really?
Enggak.
Enggak.
Kata siapa ya yang aneh? Kata Z.
Enggak kata A. Kata B. C D E F G. Oh iya, kata Z.
Iya, katanya
Karena pas-
cantik-cantik kalau
Oke,
ngomong
dia-
bahasa Indonesia jadi jelek.
Enggak, pas kita video call bareng kan, tadi dia bilang kayak, what did he say? He said, udah lah Niko pakai British accent aja, nggak usah pakai itu jadi aneh gitu. Langsung, oke.
Tapi gak salah sih.
Really?
No, it's not that bad. It's just sometimes it's hard to like understand what you're trying to say.
Sometimes. Tapi kalau aku pakai, if I use English, nobody understands me.
I do.
Yeah, you. You people in Singapore don't understand me. Or remember when we were in LA in
Singlish tuh gimana ya?
McDonald gitu. So jarring.
Kalau bahasa Thailand kamu bisa nggak?
Thailand. Kapur kap.
Kapur kap.
Pagi.
Mango sticky rice. Apa ya?
Tapi kayak di GI ada satu really nice mango sticky rice. Me and Attila had some there.
Oh iya.
It's like soft serve ice cream with like nice juicy mangoes and like coconut sticky rice. Coconut. Oh, but like I'm really
Coconut.
like she has some tiramisu again.
Kamu aja, aku kan lagi diet.
Aku juga lagi di.
Ngapain
Harus
sih?
ya.
Aku sih
Harusnya
kalau
diet, tapi kan
nggak ada kerjaan pasti nggak.
you're already skinny.
Aduh.
Skinny babe.
Guys, I don't know why it's so easy for me to gain weight.
Same. Beneran.
Udah kemek belum kak? Udah. Aku tadi makan kentang sweet potato, aku kentang manis, ubi.
Ube.
Aku dulu kayak biasa aja, terus sekarang lagi mood, lagi fancy banget. Jadi kita beli. Aku kira kan beli satu, tapi ternyata beli 1 kilo. Jadi lagi ada 5, terus kayak gede-gede banget. Aku baru tahu. Tapi ada yang kecil. Itu banyak banget makanan kayak dessert yang viral gitu loh kak.
Di GI.
Hah.
Why don't we go there?
Mau?
I'm not gonna eat. I don't want to say what I'm gonna eat.
I know, that's why.
I'm full.
Ada burnt cheese.
It's on a block me. Oh, Jemima, is she here?
Celembu ya? Yes. Kalau main sama Prince, please post IG dong. Why?
Look at the views.
Matanya cantik banget, thank you. Look at all the comments who it's about.
Not me.
Lau, apa benar kamu jadi model VC-nya singlenya Prince? Video call. Hah? Seperti ubi cilembu. Emang?
This mirror's better than that one.
Apa?
This mirror's better. They're so dark.
You said this one's too light.
Yeah, but like
Emang
compared to
manusia tuh
that
nggak
one-
pernah ada puasnya.
Really?
I'm
forgetting stuff.
banget sih, wait.
I'm forgetting. So something.
The cream
No, it's cream.
concealer.
Oh yeah, nanti sih. I thought I was gonna make up di mobil. Tadi itu taxi by the way.
Who?
Best.
Mau apa?
Gak tau, gak liat.
Hai Kak Jibi, apa kabar?
Ini?
Siomay apa yang rahasia? Siomay yang tahu. Itu siapa ya? Apa sih, nggak tahu. Good night cutie, good night. Apa makanan yang kamu suka tapi banyak orang nggak suka? Apa ya?
Everything with yogurt.
Aku suka apapun yang di-mix sama Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt itu enak banget. Tapi paling enak tuh yang cimori.
Jadi?
Malah aku yang
Iya, Heavenly Blush.
Heavenly Blush juga enak, tapi lebih kayak whipped cream gitu loh.
That's not the whole point. Kalau yang the Chimori one is that like 0% fat?
Nggak, kayak low fat.
Yeah, the other one's low fat.
Makanan favorite kamu? Sushi. Korean barbecue, baby.
Oh yeah, I miss Korean barbecue. Let's go.
Ubi.
Should we go thing? Like sometime.
Sis. Say hi to sis.
Oh. Hi.
Hello, happy birthday. Wish you all the best, kesayangan aku. Semoga tambah. Lol.
Di aplikasi apa? Bayar buat rent nonton Harry Potter yang the fourth one kan. And then kita dari kemarin keluar nggak nonton. Nanti abis. Belum. I'm not even watched it. Cuma bayar doang, abis itu nanti abis di in Amazon Plus Prime Videos. So I was like, I can't be asked to pay $3 again.
Did you watch The Summer I Turned Pretty?
No.
No? Why not?
No. It's
Kenapa?
like romance kan?
Yeah.
No. I don't wanna watch that man. Did it. I'm using the wrong.
Males. Catat yang benar. Ini aja, terus kita tinggal pakai dry shampoo lagi. Kenapa rambut aku lepek banget ya?
Kamu udah pakai tadi?
Udah.
You shake it.
Jemima! I told her
What?
she won't listen.
Oh, that's not pretty. Yeah, I do wanna watch it.
It's so nice, but I haven't watched like the new season yet. I think.
There's a new season. Joanna's watching everything.
I don't. Is there like 3
I
seasons?
won't
There.
watch romance. Karena romance is like I cannot relate.
Kamu nonton itu nggak sih Queen of Tears?
Ya itu mungkin akan nice.
Itu bagus ya. It's like
Kamu belum
number-
selesai?
Aku belum nonton sama sekali.
You've not watched Queen of Tears.
Soalnya itu sama Bilal.
You've not watched. Aku dipaksa banget sama Bilal. Aku
Iya.
nontonnya karena Bilal. Bilal nonton gitu. Di situ nonton kenapa? Karena aku relate gitu setiap apa. Betul emang nonton aku nonton aja.
Nyuruh aku nonton.
Apa? Siapa nonton? Suruh.
Bang Gopal sama Karen.
Girl, I've been asking you to watch that for ages.
Because they said the girl mirip aku. I was like, huh?
Really?
Iya dari mana?
Hah? Beneran? Ada. No, but it's really good though. Please watch it. I made Jemima watch it. And then I also said to watch as well. Everybody.
I don't wanna die.
The girl is
Ini-
so. I think the girl's really pretty.
Living proof.
That's mine.
Lebih cocok.
So finish it.
Girl, Penthouse is so deep. My face is like all the time. I watched Penthouse and I
I asked
recommended.
her to watch it because you watched it because you asked me to watch it.
Yeah, but like, it's too long.
Is it?
Yeah, like at first it started off good, but you know, like when a series is like already good, but because it's too long, and then it just gets like really boring.
That's me with something. I've watched something, and it's, you know, when the next series comes out so long.
What's that the one that mommy watches, the royal thing?
Why watch Royal?
Victor, you know, I don't know what it's
Mommy
called.
watch series?
Yeah,
She's mad at me.
she was once obsessed with it.
Oh.
It's like one.
No, she mom always watched The Flash. She watched it. She watched it in LA, and I was like, why is this woman watching Flash? She's like, Flashnya ganteng banget, and I was like, girl, Citra, mommy. I was like, that was so funny. I was like, that is kind of iconic.
Oh, itu poni sebelah belum dicatok. Oh iya, ya udah.
I can get into like a series. I think Bridgerton. Did you watch Bridgerton?
Of course.
You watched it? Have you watched it?
Hello, are you crazy? I watched it first time you did.
No, I think I watched it first. I watched it the day it came out.
Okay then, never mind.
What did you think of that?
Halo, nyanyi lagi dong.
Look at my hair, man.
Nanti kamu nyesel udah aku. Suara aku tuh bagus banget. Nanti telinga kamu berdarah. Aku pengen banget.
You didn't hit it hard enough.
Ya hari ini aku syuting tuh panas-panasan banget. Aku kayak jauh lebih gosong daripada kamu deh. Lihat tuh.
Aku terlalu putih. You know, was on tadi. Kita di malam.
Makanya kamu
Aku
tuh ke
abu-abu.
matahari gitu loh. Tuh,
Aku udah gak putih lagi. Aku udah abu-abu.
Kita tuh.
Look at this right now. Look how grey I look.
Right.
It's my little white bitch. Not cute. Aku langsung pergi ya?
Nicole's face is very Asian.
Who said that?
Lebih Asian deh.
It's hot.
I'm watching Cinderella's live right now.
Huh? What's that?
We not Cinderella. We the Grinch.
Who's we? I know you talk about me.
Pain, it found its way back in until we meet again.
It's talking about me.
Pernah berantem gak kalian berdua?
Sering.
Oh iya. Reply, bro. I am replying. Where's
the
Stanley?
What's
Sekarang.
the best hair oil? Hui, Olaplex, or Kerastase?
I thought it's away.
No, it's not Hui. It's Hui.
Oh, away.
No, Hui.
Away.
Hui.
Away.
It's Hui, no? So Hui, Olaplex.
It's not Richard Mille.
Who said that? You just said that. I was just saying that.
Yeah.
Okay. You know what? Let me search it up now.
No, Sergio, it's not Richard Mille. It's Richard Mill.
It might be.
Wait, let's try and pronounce brands.
No. Oh, okay.
YSL.
What? YSL?
Yves.
Hold on.
Yves Saint Laurent.
The 5 most expensive Richard Mille watches in
I told you.
No, I thought it was. I don't know. I never claimed I knew. I never claimed I knew.
And then Tag Heuer. Tag Heuer?
What's that?
The watch.
Sorry, I'm not really cultured with watches. Sorry, darling.
You know one thing, satu hal itu aku nggak tahu apapun tentang mobil. Is that your mom? Mommy.
Ini, this is my daughter. Imagine, do I look like your mom? I think
You look old though. And I don't wanna die.
See, itu kan aku jadi kayak I'm not in track with my makeup because of you. I've not even put concealer on. I already set half my face. Let me use.
Oh, Jemima said it's Tagger. What? What? I said it's like Tagger. Tagger. Tag here. Tagger.
Oh my god, looks like I have no lips. You know what, one day,
Oh my God.
when I turn 21,
Lip
you
filler.
won't see me the
Aku mau
same.
coba pakai ini kamu.
Bagus kok.
Nicole nyanyi Baby Take My Hand. Oh, because you look like Stephanie Poji.
I got that last night. Kayak anaknya Titi DJ.
Titi DJ.
Titi DJ. Tadi malam.
Menurut kalian Nicole mirip Stephanie Poetry nggak?
If I was like, yeah, end of life. End it. End the life.
Kok putih banget sih? Itu apa?
Kamu
Udah.
Kamu shade berapa sih?
Itu punya aku emang?
Punya aku. Mike's Honey 1.5B.
Aku nggak tahu aku apa, tapi punya aku masuk.
Do you have what's your shade for Hourglass?
Nggak tahu.
Princess.
Aku nggak pernah. Aku belum coba yang Hourglass.
I don't know. I think mine is too white for me.
Enggak,
Tapi-
kamu keputihan.
Karena ini pas mau beli sama mami di Singapura, I just look at it and I was like, is this my shade? And then I use it in the car and I was like, oh, oh, I don't think it goes.
Laura, kalau ada casting jadi Azura, please ikut. Siapa lagi itu Azura? Aden! Nicole, say hi Aden.
Hi Aden. Who's Aden?
Temen aku.
Oh.
Itu pipinya emang blushing, enggak? Ini tuh konsepnya bagus nih. Kayak apa ya?
That's
Lebih
kan? Bagus kan?
lebih thick.
Thick, but it's like covering.
Oh wait, no, never mind.
Look at my eyes right now.
I feel like it's to cover, but sometimes I think like we're not on live. I need to say something.
Don't see into it.
Laura, atau kamu jadi Aura.
Look at.
Mami just like bisa kayak ngaca gitu.
Kamu harus yang sama mom like.
Titi DJ.
Siapa lagi?
Aku.
Is this what? Is mine again? Di situ.
Aduh. Mau ngapain?
Sneeze.
Hachiu. Got them. Where are you going, Hogwarts?
Hogwarts. These are Hogwarts.
Look.
Like, you know when Daddy took us to King's Cross? And then I didn't understand the whole thing because we watched. Do you remember watching like Harry Potter and that as a child?
No.
But we watched it though, because we went to cinema and then we watched like the Deadly Hollow Part 1 and Part 2.
I think we did.
And then we watched like Narnia. Then we watched The Hobbit. But then can you?
I remember
recall
Hobbit
it?
because everyone said I look like Hobbit.
They're not all there.
Shut up.
No, but do you recall watching it? Because I don't. Because when I was on Facebook with Jemima, and she was talking about like the creatures in Hobbit, and I remember, but like, I don't really remember.
No, we've always been
like up to
Star
date.
Wars.
Then. No.
No, we've always been Star Wars. Everyone was obsessed with it, and you have the books, and I would bring it to school. I was like, I watch.
We don't have the books.
You got it from like Brian or something. His name, I don't know.
Did I?
Yeah, you stupid.
I feel like kalau SD itu like everything back in Semarang. I don't remember anything.
Remember when you got a Barbie?
From?
Rehan?
Really? I did, didn't I?
Amnesia, cowok.
Itu kan aku PTSD, jadi kayak hilang semua gitu loh memori-memori aku yang di masa-masa di Semarang gitu. Dan sama Univen Semarang saat ini.
Someone said, pick me, I pick you.
Who's pick me? Pick me. Apa namanya? Pick me. Kamu yang pick me kan?
Kalau ditawarin main film horror mau nggak lah?
Mau dong.
Apa aku jadi setan ya?
Kayak gue udah lah setan. My face is so white. Oh my, you know what? Every second my hair just gets puffier and puffier.
Want me like to put like gel on your head or something?
But like I said yesterday, it's my curly hair, man.
Woi, ini kan kenapa kita jadi lama sih?
You haven't been in live, siapa?
Udah deh, kamu. Ih.
I'm baking under my eyes.
Nicole makeupnya nggak selesai. Iya lagi. Kamu kok lama banget
Who
sih?
said that?
Kamu lama banget sih?
Kan santai.
Bisa nggak sih? Lebih
Emang
lama
jam berapa
lagi?
sih? Oh my god.
Yaudah lah guys, aku mau end live dulu karena biar Nicole nggak lama banget.
Enggak, ini cariin kan?
Ini
Ya
pokoknya
udah.
aku.
Gak ada yang cariin. Emang ada yang text you? No, exactly.
Ow, panas.
But I'm actually done.
She can't control the 4C curls.
Literally. You know, I literally told you that yesterday. Like my hair is so curly. Kamu kemarin tanyain sama itu apa namanya? Kamu rambutnya?
Nggak,
sering.
ini aku mau ngomongin ini, sorry. Pick me ngomongnya terlalu lebay.
Siapa yang ngomongin terlalu lebay?
Kita berdua.
Ya udah.
Kenapa?
Who said that? Show your face.
I know for a fact that nobody will be picking you. I said
Hey, that shit
that.
up.
I said what I said. I said what I said. I said what I said. I said what I said.
Pick me. Pick me. Choose me.
Ngomongnya biasa aja lah. This is how I speak, bro.
Just
Is that a problem for you? Is that a problem for you? How about kiss me ass?
What's up, mom? What?
No.
I'm joking.
Dua-duanya sama-sama aku suka, tapi aku bingung harus pilih yang mana. Tahu lagu itu nggak?
Enggak.
Gimana ya nadanya?
Oh.
Yang satu hitam manis, anu manis, 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 kumis tipis-tipis,
I know, do you make up?
lentik. Aku udah make up. Aku tinggal pakai lipstick doang.
Where are we going?
Downstairs.
Be outside.
Ini kamu pikir pasti kayak apa teh gitu ya?
Itu emang teh?
Bukan.
Itu
Ini tehnya aku buang ya.
jangan dibuat.
Ini perfume YSL yang pecah.
Jadi ceritanya, aku baru beli YSL berapa? Abis itu aku kayak I can't fucking speak Indonesian. Basically, I took it out of the shop and it smashed. Basically, it smashed everywhere. And then tadi baru botolnya, so and it had engraved my name on it. So I'm just like, oh my god, it's actually peak. No, eyeshadow yet.
Pakai bahasa Indonesia tinggi lagi, pick me lu. Pakai bahasa Indonesia tinggi lagi. Kita dibilang tinggi.
Makasih.
Ini siapa sih? Remove dari live gak?
Siapa?
Ini. Yang
Who's
dari
it?
tadi komennya jelas.
Yaudah, gak apa-apa.
Atau aku ajak live bareng.
Ajak.
Gak mau.
Diajak.
Gak males aku.
Diajak.
Males.
Enggak, mau diajak aja.
Beli kiri bak. Beli kiri
Like,
bak.
what I mean, you can say
Hey, my boy!
like, you can say it to our face.
This Korean boy.
Who is it?
Korean boy!
Oh my god!
You know what? So Nicole just
I finally watched K-drama for the first time. after
Nicole
judging
finally
it for
watched
50
K-drama.
years.
And then she said, I just realized how Korean Prince looks.
Yeah, we just said that. Because I never saw
I think Prince is
like-
good looking.
Who said that?
You did.
I can't, yeah.
She said slay.
And I said, you know what? He is a
Wait, did
good
you
looking
watch
man.
Business
No.
Proposal?
Jemima watched that.
Jemima,
I
did you
watched
watch
it, yeah.
Business Proposal?
I don't.
But I feel like the guy has the
It's
same
ugly.
vibes.
Oh.
No, cakep banget.
No. Oh no, the girl was ugly.
The guy has the same vibes as Prince.
Oh, really? Percaya
You didn't watch it though.
No, I watched the first. Itu kan yang apa? They work in a food company kan? That's his, yeah, right? I watched it.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
watched it. Yeah. I think I found.
Prince said, "No way. What did she watch? True Beauty."
The first one I watched was.
Wait, Prince actually had career right now.
Really?
Nicole mirip Kim Ji Won.
I'll take that.
Who's that?
No idea. I think it's the girl. I can't remember the names. I don't. Do you know when I say, like, when I talk about tribute, I'm like, did the main girl get with the other guy? I don't remember names. I'm really bad. with
Jemima
names.
said, "Yeah, I've been saying Prince looked like a K-drama star." Right?
And I did not in a way like, oh, I didn't see it because I've just never really dabbled into watching K-drama. But then when I watched it and I was like, you know what? Now that I deepen and I look at it, like, yeah, he does. Oh my days, my eyes are so. Are we
Kim Ji Won yang main Queen of Tears.
the girl?
The girl.
I think she's really pretty. And I think y'all liars think that. I think she's really pretty. You need to actually watch it though, Law. It's really sad. Do you want me to spoil
There's
it?
no way.
Do you want me to spoil it? Law,
What?
do you want me to spoil
No,
it?
I want to watch it. Once you watch K-drama, you will want to watch it more.
Not really.
No, K-dramas that I don't know. K-dramas that I used to really enjoy watching is
Oh
True
my
Beauty,
days.
Business
I thought you just
Proposal,
close there.
The Penthouse, and then apa lagi ya? Banyak banget sih, tapi aku lupa nama-namanya.
Can you tell me though?
Extraordinary You bagus banget, Crash Landing on You juga bagus.
You know who I find so fine though?
Me?
Next question. I'm joking. Apa yang the guy in True Beauty, the one who, he's so fine.
Who?
One.
Cha Eun-woo.
One who.
Wonwoo siapa Wonwoo?
Yeonwoo.
Cha Eun-woo. Wonwoo. Cha Eun-woo. Ya
God, do I
Allah.
don't think I know people's names.
No.
Do I don't think I know your daddy's name? Oh, you
Kalau
never say
kakak
that.
masih ingat nggak waktu meet and greet barengan di Joni Kota? Di
Oh,
Kota Medan,
anjir.
soalnya
This is
aneh
so-
nanyain kalau Kak Randy. Hai, inget dong. Apa kabar? Harry Potter.
Yeah, I need to finish that, you know. I might have to pay £3 again.
Pernah makan bubur bakarnya si Aletya Desi nggak, Ra?
Oh my days, my hair.
Belum,
My
tapi kita.
4C cows
Aku pengen,
just
aku pengen.
trying to show it. I've not tried this cuticle oil. Oh, I did yesterday, didn't I? Coba ya.
Ngomong bahasa Jawa, Nick.
Me?
Hah?
Give me a sentence.
Piye kabare?
Piye kabare?
Maksud aku kamu jawab sayangku, cintaku.
Huh?
Maksud aku kamu jawab sayang.
Oh, ask me again.
Cha Eun-woo nggak sih? Queen of Tears Hyun-woo.
You know, they're so fine. Both of them.
The one in Queen of Tears or the one in True
Both.
Beauty? Okay.
I cannot watch. It is so fine.
Have you met Sarando? Udah gemes banget. Pengen aku kenalin ke Stanley.
Who's that?
Anaknya Christiana, Kak Chris. Kita coba lihat K-drama. Oh wait, aku tahu satu yang kamu bakal suka banget pasti.
Apa?
Enggak, aku bakal nunjukin kamu beberapa K-drama artists that I think you would like.
I think I said she was the finest one already.
No. So first, the one on my list, yeah, Cha Eun-woo, and then
He's fine.
siapa yang namanya? Shoot me.
The guy in Queen of Tears is also fine. Who else? Who do you think I like? I like something. Oh, he's so fine. See, like something about his face. It's just so.
You know,
it's just so,
you're late. I've already been
It's just so.
through this like phase like
I know.
2 years
It's
ago.
my time to shine. He's just so pretty. Like he's got such a
Lee Min Ho is not my type. Ini cakep.
no.
Ini dulu pernah bilang sama siapa? Sama Jisoo yang main satu itu sama Jisoo. He's good looking, but not really my type.
There's something missing. It's a lot of things missing. Barat, Taylor.
Ini An Hyo Seo. Ini ganteng.
What am I doing?
Habis Nam Joo Hyuk, kamu nggak suka ini ya?
Let me see.
Kamu bilang,
No. Who's that?
dia bilang yang main nggak tahu.
Business Proposal.
Bukan, beda.
Is that not the lawyer?
Aku lupa lagi dia main apa.
I
Lee
think
Jones.
the only one yang good looking for me is them two.
Mion, tuh.
He's so
bukan.
fine.
Kok cewek loh? Coba.
So you need to impress me. Who do you think I like?
Coba guys komen siapa artis Korea yang cakep.
I don't think I
Cha Eun Woo, right?
Yeah, that's the best one, guy.
The best.
Like,
You're
You can't
talking
beat
about
him.
them like
what?
okay.
I don't think you can beat him, can you?
Song Kang, but I don't think Song Kang's your type.
I don't have a type, especially that.
But he's tall.
Okay, I don't mind tall people.
Siapa yang main di Extraordinary You? Song Kang ya? Oh Song Kang ya.
Should I change my clothes? I'm getting warm now. Oh, he's cute.
Dan kamu harus nonton Extraordinary You.
Extraordinary you. Is it on Netflix?
Nonton Chinese drama Hidden Love. Oh ada itu ceweknya siapa ya namanya aku lupa. I don't know names. Jung Hae In, let's see.
You know what I find so
Jung
interesting?
Hae In.
I don't know if I'm just like slow and thick, but like you know when you like turn on the dubbing on like the way I read the names
Oh, yeah.
and how they actually say it is different.
Apa?
Like you know how Koreans pronounce their own names, it's different from like the English version.
Iya pasti.
And I was like, who's this?
Rawon.
What I want to
Dia mirip ya sama ini main apa Extraordinary You ya.
Siapa yang mirip?
Tapi dia kan
Oh,
lebih.
he's fine. Ooh, who's that? But like, you know, that guy is still looking good in tribute. He's still better looking, in my opinion.
Tunggu aku lagi.
In my opinion, in my humble opinion, I still think that he's better looking.
Ada satu tapi aku lupa siapa namanya.
Where is?
Mian Seok or something. Mingyu ya.
Ah, I should probably just wash my hair today. You know what?
Iya Mingyu yang cakep. Iya.
Yellow boy.
Ini cakep nih. Salah ya? Beda. Salah deh kayaknya. Gak tau lah aku.
Really close.
I'm not good with names. How about him?
Somebody's hold on, give me sex. Hold on, where is it? He's alright. Well, like I still think he's better looking. The one from Thingy, True Beauty.
I'm on my way.
Where are we going? Where are we getting
all
ready?
the drama, mama. All the drama, mama. With my girls at the bed, drama, mama. I've been drama, mama.
Take more of these.
The girls in the back, no song. Na 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 na, yeah. Ba da ba da bow, ba ba da ba da bow.
Actually, no, what I liked. You know the first drama I watched?
It's like tag like hour in French.
No,
I don't speak French.
it's like tag where.
Well, you know what, Joanne?
You know, let's search it up.
You know what, Laura?
What?
You know what? I don't listen to both of you. I don't listen to anybody that says avocados is a source of protein, and
It's not a source of protein.
that's what I'm trying to say. That's what Joanne said. Search it online.
how to pronounce.
Oh my days. I can't look.
This one. She said tag.
Probably is right.
Je gère le couple. Vacheron Constantin.
Hubler.
Bleu. Ulysse Nardin.
No,
Longine.
Look.
Tagoyer.
Jemima,
Jemima.
you heard it.
You what? Jemima.
You heard it.
That's
you
what
heard it.
We're not believing her
You heard
anymore.
it.
First she said avocados are source of protein. Now she said this wrong. Yeah, I'm not believing you anymore. Any word that comes out of your mouth, Jem, I don't believe you no more. Well, don't anything when it comes to knowledge, I'm not believing her anymore. I'm not believing.
Say, girl, get out.
Well, I'm not believing her anymore.
Someone said, waktu Laura kecil sering ngeliat di Mall Paragon Semarang. Mamanya cewek hits di masanya. Oh, Mami Citra, cewek hits. Mami cewek hits.
I thought I should come really close and I just can't flip and see it.
Laura kok lagi di UK? Enggak, ini yang lagi di
Yeah.
Indonesia.
Ini tuh di UK tahu.
Oke, kita coba. How about
Oh, should we guess and then like before we say it?
YSL?
Yves Saint Laurent.
It's like Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent.
Stop being French. Stop trying to
Yves
be
Saint
French.
Laurent.
Stop trying to be
Croissant.
French. Stop trying to be French, bro.
Kan
I'm like,
how
I'm-
you
I'm so
pronounce
confused
it.
now.
How about Miu Miu? Ya Allah, ya Allah.
Mew mew.
Miu Miu.
No, I'm literally done with makeup. Like, what were you doing all the time?
Ini semua orang pada bingung kenapa Nicole dari tadi makeupnya nggak selesai.
Guys, ini namanya tuh trust the process. You know what? How long does it take to make art or a statue? So long. It takes time.
How long did it take for mommy to make me?
That's a question you gotta ask her. I unfortunately am not knowledgeable in that sense. I do not know, unfortunately. I'm sorry to say, unfortunately, I can't answer.
Here.
The end of words are almost always silent, and it is the case here. Also, ES as an ending is always silent, but there is no accent on the E. Next, we have two nasals. We have un in saint, which is right here.
Lama.
As you're saying wrong.
Lama.
Part 23. Yves Saint Laurent, not Yves Saint Laurent.
See, I said it right.
Name brand for many people who frequently refer to it by its initials. And I don't blame them. I'll teach.
What's your top 3 fashion brands?
See, I listen to him.
Saint Laurent.
Saint Laurent.
No, I said that.
That's such a
You
high
said
grade.
Laurent.
Eat Saint Laurent.
Christian Dior.
Huh?
Okay, here. Christian Dior.
I literally said
Louis
it right.
Vuitton.
What about?
Givenchy.
Why do you-
Jean Paul Gaultier.
Jean Paul Gaultier. Chanel. Hermes.
Chanel. Hermes. Celine.
Yves
Yves Saint Laurent.
Cartier.
Cartier. Moncler.
Moncler. That's how I know it. Moncler.
Moncler.
Moncler. That's how I call it.
And then,
Do you have more mascara?
I do have a lot.
I have one here. Put that back. Put that one back.
Kenapa sih?
I just said put that one back.
Why?
No, no excuse. No reason. No reason. It's actually. Oh. See, guys, I'm literally done that. Literally took about 2 minutes.
Look at all.
Yeah.
Look at me.
Fucking damn. You. That is expired, no?
Enggak, ini bakar.
No, the Victoria's Secret one.
Oh,
It's been there for years.
probably.
We're done. We're gonna make more topics.
Ini.
Where are we going? Where are we going? Where you need to.
I don't know how to feel it. I don't know anywhere.
Make a tutorial with Nicole Mon. Be prepared to spend 10 hours swimming. Oh, see? You went under my eye.
I don't understand why you say see. You didn't say anything. You didn't see? It's like what I say, you know.
You know what I always told Jemima? That I always wanted to make like a YouTube channel or TikTok personnel, but like without my accent. So I'll be speaking a different accent.
Huh?
Listen to me. So like, cause you've got Indonesian, English, Singapore
What are you saying?
accent. You're gonna make TikToks. I'm trying to give you an example.
Okay.
Like you try to make TikToks.
Go for it.
I don't want to say it anymore. I don't want to explain myself anymore.
Chị ngambek.
Tik. Who said that?
Aku.
Oh.
And I told her she shouldn't. Shouldn't what? What are you talking about?
Oh, shouldn't I make a TikTok? Like, my voice. You know, like when, you know how there's so many accents in the world? Like your accent and my accent's different. So, because you don't have a British accent, you make a TikTok with a British accent. But people believe you've got a British accent until they meet you in real life and they're like, oh my god, you don't have a British accent, you're like American? And then, yeah, that's, you know what, it's not funny if I explain it to you.
Who does that?
People do that.
Really?
I think so, nowadays.
Like this is it like a song or like they're speaking?
No, like talking.
Who does that?
A lot of people do that.
Sakit anjir.
Apa?
It's like me speaking in like kalau di online I'm speaking in Sunda accent and when you meet me in real life I'm like
Yeah,
Jawa.
But that's the fun about that's the
Ih,
funny
kata gelis.
No, but that's the funny thing about it.
Who
That's
does
what
that?
I was trying to say this whole time, Laura. You don't get the joke. Oh, my hair. My 4C's showing up. Who's in this live?
Lau suka ketela nggak? Ubi pengobat hati yang terluka.
I know.
Apa sih?
I want to know if that's a potato. It is Jemima. It's a potato.
It's sweet potato.
It's sweet potato.
Got it in different sizes.
You know what? Sometimes just say some dumb
Nanti
things.
kentut mulu gua. Emang ubi tuh buat kentut ya?
Itu doesn't matter. No, you know what? Potatoes is a source of fiber. So when you eat it, you just wanna poo. You see what I did there? I use a different accent.
Itu pasti ubi celumbu.
Oh my God, sih.
Ini nggak pertama kali sih. Like
No.
nearly my first time I'm actually like eating it, like
Really?
ordering it myself and like.
Yeah. Exactly, mommy. Because I used to like that so much.
Aku nggak.
I did.
Did? Why?
I do. I do.
Aku suka yang kayak di sini tuh yang kayak masih kering.
I do. Oh, that's a bit much. That's a bit too dark for my living in.
Kan jelek tahunnya.
Huh? Wait, hold
Jelek
on.
mana ya?
Trust the process. I can take it off honey. It's a bit dark in it.
Suka banget actingnya di cewek. Thank you. Kamu pernah nggak nonton sinetron aku?
These one too?
You.
Iya dulu pernah.
Yang mana?
Yang pokoknya yang you know which one I
Tawan
watch?
bohongnya.
No, you know which one I watch? Ya itu loh, yang dulu Serigala Bucin itu. Kamu nonton?
Kamu nonton? Asal aku nonton TV ya?
Huh? I don't live here. I'm not supposed to know.
Parah lu.
I would support if you watch, if you watch, if oh shit.
No, I don't.
I know you don't. I don't know. No, like when your movie comes out or something, I would watch it in the cinema. And then you do this final touch. I think this what makes it. No?
What? No.
No kids. To anyone with no kids, I really. You know what I've been loving to do recently?
Ini pertama kali aku makan ubi dan rasanya enak banget.
Why is
Bukan pertama kali sih, tapi dulu aku makan pas masih kecil. Terus tadi gara-gara ada yang pesen ubi tapi warnanya ungu.
That's cute.
Sekarang aku suka deh.
Where's my eye?
Ada Abdul.
Ada Abdul.
Abdul ulang tahun loh, kamu udah ucapin belum?
Really?
Ya.
Udah dulu kan lo? Not recently, udah lama kan?
Recently.
Enggak, udah aku ucapin kok.
Not really recent sih.
Iya tuh kan, aku DM dulu. Oh my days.
Itu nih kontennya dari ini gak kelar-kelar juga.
Oh,
Itu tuh
deh.
lama banget tau, sumpah.
Karena ini kita kemana coba?
Mana kayak?
Tuh kan, nggak tahu kayak mau kemana. The night is still young. See, makeup's literally done, guys. Like, okay. You know what I like to do? Well, it's like highly palette, and then I
Lu kan kenapa filternya berubah ya?
redefine my moles because I just love my
Ini kok ada
moles.
kamu di depan.
Kok ada dua? I didn't know. What's it called? I didn't even know that, I was that famous that people make fun of me.
I didn't think you understand me.
Just like a little moment. Here we go.
How could
Perfect,
you
perfect.
ever even try?
Hashtag Kylie Cosmetics.
And I don't wanna tiptoe, and I don't wanna
See, I'm literally done. What you guys are, what you lot on about, I'm literally done.
nonsense.
I'll use Claude Lee. Is this a setting spray? I don't even know what this is.
I don't.
I only bought it because Madison Sarah.
I don't
Madison
like.
did.
That makes my skin break out.
Really? I love it. It just somebody said balik kayak jengkol. Do you know who said that?
Siapa? Mana ada bau jengkol?
No, apa?
Bukan, itu tuh bau ginger bukan jengkol.
Enggak, tapi kayak baunya katanya kayak bau jengkol.
Melon.
Iya, melon itu yang bilang. And I was just like, I don't even understand that. I love these.
Oh, enak banget ubi. Ubi enak banget.
Guys, I literally just finished.
I
guys choose my top?
don't think you understand
This is your top.
me.
Choose which tops.
No.
What?
Kalau aku jadi temennya kakak itu pasti ngemel lama banget.
Hah?
Pada bilang kamu tuh lama, titik.
Siapa yang bilang?
Banyak.
Ini. Enggak, ini I just thought.
Udah deh, aku end live ah. Thank you semua udah nonton. Nicole, pamit.
Nggak usah nemo-nemo, calling me slow.
Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you guys live a long, nice, healthy life. Bye.